So even though there are just hours left before Delhi goes to vote, viewers, there is still many a slips between the lips and the cup of tea. You have massive politicking, blame game going on from either side of the divide. Newsbreak coming in right now. Hours before Delhi votes, Aam Aadmi Party has now reached the Election Commission. Aam Aadmi Party has made a big claim of a possible voter fraud by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Aam Aadmi Party alleges voters may be forcibly inked tonight. Now, this apprehension of the Aam Aadmi Party stems from the fact that most of its voter base lies in the slums and the Jhuggi cluster, and the Aam Aadmi Party fears that especially in constituencies like New Delhi and other slum dwellings, there may be an effort by the Bharatiya Janata Party to start inking fingers at night, and therefore the voters would not be able to cast their vote tomorrow morning. Aam Aadmi Party has said that the EC has assured fair polls and need to come good on their assurances.
आयोग को कई सारे ऐसे मामले बताए जहां जिसकी वजह से जगह जगह हिंसा हो रही है, गुंडागर्दी हो रही है, कैसे दिल्ली पुलिस का इस्तेमाल करके गुंडागर्दी करवाई जा रही है, कई सारे इंसिडेंट्स बताए। चुनाव आयोग ने आश्वासन दिया है कि सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी और चुनाव को निष्पक्ष कराने के लिए वो सभी कदम उठाएंगे। हमने ये भी बताया कि बहुत बड़े स्केल के ऊपर वोटर सप्रेशन हो सकता है, जैसे इस गुंडागर्दी की वजह से, पुलिस की गुंडागर्दी की वजह से, बीजेपी की गुंडागर्दी की वजह से कई जगह हो सकता है कि लोग घर से डर के मारे दहशत में वोट डालने ना निकलें। तो चुनाव आयोग ने कहा है कि वो सुनिश्चित करेंगे कि लोग घर से निकल सकें।
All right, let's quickly cut across to our reporters who are joining us now with the latest coming in from each party. Piyush, massive allegations coming in on the eve of elections where the Aam Aadmi Party actually fears that there could be an attempt of vote suppression by the BJP. In fact, they've even gone down to suggest that the BJP is going to try attempting inking fingers tonight, especially in Jhuggi Jhopadi slum clusters.
Well, certainly, Preeti, a big allegation coming in from Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal, along with other leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, had also approached the Election Commission of India, where they claimed that the voters are being suppressed forcibly. Many of them are also being inked so that they cannot go and vote tomorrow. And he made these allegations specifically about these slum areas of a few constituencies like New Delhi and others. Remember that Aam Aadmi Party, since the beginning, has been claiming that BJP is trying to win the elections in Delhi using the muscle power of Delhi police, and they're also claiming that Election Commission is supporting BJP and is not doing anything as far as the complaints those are being raised by Aam Aadmi Party. We'll have to wait and watch how the Election Commission and the Delhi police is going to react on these comments those have been made by Aam Aadmi Party leaders. But earlier in the day, we also saw a complete statement, a detailed statement, which was issued by ECI, where they had made it very clear that around 1.5 lakh officials of Election Commission of India are working in a legal framework to ensure that no such illegality takes place. So ECI has so far rejected these claims those have been made by Aam Aadmi Party leaders. We'll have to see how Delhi police would be acting on these complaints those have been raised by Aam Aadmi Party. On the other side, BJP is sounding very confident. BJP is, we have been talking to various senior leaders, Preeti. They are saying that they are going to get around 39 to 45 seats and they are comfortably forming a government in Delhi. A few hours back, there was a meeting also which was called in by BJP where top leaders, all 7 MPs, including Delhi BJP president and the Delhi elections in charge, Jay Panda, was present. So there was a poll preparedness meeting also which took place. A last minute touch has been given. Only few hours are left to go for polls, and people tomorrow in the morning are going to decide which party has win over their hearts.
Well, you are right there. You know, this is that proverbial night before Judgment Day, viewers. You know, the election drums might have fallen silent, but this is that night where you'll see heavy amounts of politicking, especially where the volunteer, Panna Pramukh, call it what you may, the person, the boots on ground is concerned, because now is that crucial time when his and her job kicks in to make sure that you take your voters to the booth. Who will manage it better is the big question.